Hello guys, this is Alan from ESA. Welcome to Global Well Group Limited Corporations. Our company is a leading manufacturer and trader in PCB and PCBA industry, which is strictly in terms of PCB and PCBA for manufacturing high quality and reliable products. And today it's my great honor to be here to make a tour guide about our company. So without further ado, let's get started.
The company focuses on electronic products from PCB design, PCB production SMT and DIP assembly, PCBA burn process and testing, conformal coding, electronic components procurement, finished product assembly and other one-stop manufacturing services. Global Well has a professional technology development team, mastering the industry's advanced process technology, with reliable production equipment, testing equipment, and a fully functional physical and chemical laboratory. We are certified by IPMS, CE, UL, ISO 9001, ISO 13485, IATF 16949, and ISO 14001.
Here is our raw material area. The company adheres to the core value of customer first, quality first, continuous innovation, win-win cooperation, and is committed to providing global customers with good price, good quality, good service and fast delivery, creating greater value for customers and employees.
In February 2021, we relocated our factory to a large facility, which allowed us to expand our production capacity even further by adding 7 SMT lines and special process workshops. As a company, we are committed to providing our customers with the highest quality products and services, and we continue to invest in the latest technology and equipment to meet the evolving needs of the market. We provide total PCB solutions from PCB design to final mass production, including PCB fabrication and assembly, component sourcing, solder paste stencils, conformal coatings, and more, serving the global electronics field, including industrial control, medical electronics, military equipment, power communication, automotive electronics, AI artificial intelligence, smart home and other industries. Thank you for watching. If you are ready to take your business to the next level, contact us today and experience the difference of working with a company that's committed to excellence.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.